Are you looking for the best portable toilets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best portable toilets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Katy XL Portable Toilet. The Katy XL Portable Toilet is a great choice for camping trips and outdoor emergencies. It is made of sturdy density board and high-quality leather, making it skin-friendly and soft. It is 40% higher than many other portable camping toilets, and it holds up to 440 pounds, making it suitable for the whole family. It is easy to set up and fold in seconds, and comes with a waterproof storage bag for easy transport. Customers have found it to be sturdy and reliable, making it a great choice for camping and travel. What we like: spacious and comfortable design, lightweight and portable, sturdy construction, easy to clean, multifunctional use. What we don't like: small seat hole for larger users, material not waterproof. Number 2. Hapoon XL Portable Folding Toilet. The Hapoon camping toilet is a sturdy portable option made of premium ABS plastic, capable of holding up to 400 pounds. Its extra-large size provides more comfort with a higher and wider seat than many others. Setting up and folding down this toilet is quick and easy, making it convenient to use. Additionally, its multifunctionality allows it to be used outdoors or indoors for various purposes. The toilet is compatible with 8-gallon bags for easy cleanup, ensuring a tidy experience for your outdoor activities. What we like: sturdy and durable construction, compact and easy to store, great for camping and travel, easy setup and portability, includes liner bags and accessories. What we don't like: smell containment could be improved, lid may fall off when bumped. Number 3. Hapoon XL Portable Camping Toilet. The Hapoon Portable Toilet is designed for your convenience during outdoor activities. Made from durable ABS plastic, it can support up to 400 pounds, making it suitable for both adults and children. With its larger seat dimensions, you'll find it more comfortable than other portable options. Setting it up is a breeze. It folds down in seconds and is lightweight for easy transport. This multifunctional toilet can also serve as a storage box, trash can, or even a stool, catering to various needs whether you're camping, hiking, or on a long road trip. What we like: easy to set up, lightweight and portable, sturdy and comfortable, collapsible for storage, includes disposal bags. What we don't like: challenging to fold for storage. Number 4. Sckee XL Portable Toilet. Sckee Camping Toilet is a 16.5-foot portable toilet designed for camping, hiking, road trips, and more. It offers upgraded height for comfort, sturdy construction for durability, easy cleaning, and multifunctional use. The height makes it comfortable for users with knee issues. The sturdy build ensures reliability during use. Its collapsible design and included accessories make it easy to clean. Additionally, its multifunctional nature allows for versatile usage beyond camping. What we like: easy to assemble, sturdy and comfortable, compact and portable, effective odor control, durable materials. What we don't like: may need additional odor control powder. Number 5. VINGLI Portable Toilet with Handrail. The VINGLI Portable Toilet offers a sturdy and user-friendly design perfect for outdoor adventures or temporary indoor use. Its stable construction and anti-slip features ensure safety, while the detachable toilet paper holder doubles as a mobile phone seat for added convenience. With a comfortable seat height designed for average adults, it supports users up to 350 pounds. Weighing only 6 pounds, this toilet is easy to transport and store, making it a great choice for camping trips, road journeys, or even healthcare needs at home. What we like: easy assembly, comfortable for camping, includes extra screws, generic waste bags fit, thoughtful cleaning design. What we don't like: poor instructions, Small size.